Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Crossbeats Urban. So the problem here is battery backup. It is not giving the battery backup and it is not charging as well. So I want to replace the battery of these earbuds. So I'm going to show you in this video how to replace the battery of this. So there should be red light glowing here, but it is not glowing because the battery is bad, completely bad. So I'm going to replace the battery of these earbuds using this. So these are original batteries. If you want to see the specification, you can see it. So 3.7 volt 50 mAh battery. So alright, this is sealed here, it is not even opened. This is brand new batteries. Alright, now let me take one of the earbuds. Alright, so to take this apart, there is a clip here, so I have taken it out. So just by slowly lifting like this, you can take out the battery. This is the actual battery. So this is the similar battery, you can see 100% same to same. Alright, now we have to take out this battery. I'm keeping this separately here. These are the two wires, plus and minus, which is going to the board here. The point is at very corner, so it is very difficult to change the wires here. This has two wires, so I'm going to take this out. So now we have to take this out and have to replace this battery with this. So this is very difficult to show in the video. I am going to take this out and install this battery and come on. So alright, now I have replaced the battery. This is the old battery and I have installed the new battery here. So we have to place this inside just like this. Then we have to simply close like this because the clip is there. That's it, and you can see it is turned on. And similarly I have done replacement for this earbud as well. You can see this is also turned on as I have replaced. Now it's time to just place the battery and close the housing here. That's it. So it is ready. Now I am going to show you the charging here as well. So this is the left one. You can see the light is glowing. Now I am going to place the right one here, and you can see both is turned on and the case is almost full here. Now I am going to show you the perfect working demo here. So now I am going to pair this. I am just taking this out. See, the Urban has come here, Crossbeats Urban. So I have clicked it. It's time to play the song. Please put on your earphone. So this is one side, now the other side. So alright, both earbuds are working fine. So both of these earbuds back to life. So alright, done. So I hope you like the video. Please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. And write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. Thanks for watching. Bye.